The last few days haven't exactly been the best for Shiba Inu, and if you have been keeping up with this channel, you know of all the issues that have befallen the project. Thankfully, things are starting to look up and Shib looks poised on the start of a crazy bull run. This is the good news video that you have been waiting for, so make sure to keep watching till the end. Disclaimer. Getting right into it, analysts say that the bears are still dominating the Shib market, and this is in spite of the recent listing by CoinMina, Bahrain's central bank regulated exchange. Shib added a zero many days back and is still struggling to drop it, which is not good news for holders. However, the same analysts have also mentioned that bulls have started to take steps to turn things around. These bulls are whales, and for some reason, they have started showing interest in buying Shib again. And it is believed that their move might be enough to hike the price of Shib by an impressive 12%, pushing it really close to losing a zero. Of course, the whales might be buying Shib now because they see the opportunity that the low price provides. They are probably deciding to buy now because Shib is more affordable than it has been in a while. However, it could also be that they know something that the rest of us do not. It could be that they have done their research and come to the same conclusion that analysts have, that Shib is ready to pump once again. Of course, this is just a prediction and should not be taken as fact. Also, it is important that you do your own research before making any kind of financial decision. That said, there are some signs that point to the possibility of Shib starting a bullish run soon. First off, there is Shibarium. Now, I know that you are probably tired of hearing how Shibarium will shake things up for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, but it is still true. We can already see how successful the beta version PuppyNet has been. If Shibarium can achieve that level of success, there's no way that Shiba Inu would not benefit greatly from that success, considering that the tokens will be burned and transactions will be made faster thanks to that platform. In addition to that, Zai Crypto writes that, after the launch of Shibarium, the ecosystem will include decentralized exchanges, a unique metaverse, and several blockchain games. The network would also record increased transaction speeds, lower fees, added token utility, and better decentralized application development. Aside from Shibarium though, Shiba Inu has been getting into some strategic partnerships that will definitely be beneficial. The most recent partnership is with Alpha Mobile. The online financial service provider has integrated Shib, making it possible for its over 150 million users to make Shib payments online from their mobile phones. That's a lot more reach that could result in a price pump for Shib. There is also the fact that Shib burns have been going crazy in recent times. For a while there, it seemed like holders were tired of sending their tokens to the burn wallet and only a few thousand tokens were getting burned. However, in the past couple of days, a lot of burn transactions have been happening, and at the very least, it signifies that Shib holders are still very interested in seeing Shib hit the 1 cent dream. One of the most recent burns was an insane 2 billion token burn that happened in just one transaction. This accounts for a more than 20,000% increase in Shib burns, and analysts are saying that this might be a primary reason why whales have decided to go back to buying Shib. This might be because renewed burn efforts kind of show that the community is still very much interested in Shib, enough to send some of their tokens to the burn wallet. Think about it. The only reason one person would burn up to 3 billion Shib tokens as against holding onto them or even selling them is because they believe in the potential of burns. They believe that with enough Shib burns, Shib can achieve the 1 cent dream. And if this is true, it makes sense that whales would start buying Shib once again at the first sign of serious burns happening. As You Today writes, oftentimes, the burn rate has been connected to bullish price jumps, and the consistency in the burning can be a game changer in predicting the short-term price outlook for the token. With Shibarium recording massive transactions that has the tendency of contributing to the burn rate, the future of the entire protocol and its projected price gain is bright. But tell us what you think in the comments section. Do you agree that we can have enough Shib burns to send Shib to the moon? Moving on from that, Shib's partnership with Richmond got an update recently. But before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 Shib. For a chance to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below #ShibaInu. The renowned Italian fashion designer posted a cryptic tweet on his Twitter page that has sent the Shiba Inu community into a frenzy. All he wrote is "woof," and people have been trying to guess what that could mean since. We know that he is not announcing a partnership though, because Shiba Inu and John Richmond are already in a partnership. In fact, the two brands have already collaborated on a number of projects. Back in March, the two brands collaborated to introduce a collection of digital wearables for the Metaverse users. And before that, John Richmond launched a sporty chic line and invited the Shiba Inu community to attend the event. So most likely the recent Wolf tweet is indicating that Shiba Inu and John Richmond are about to launch another project, but I guess time will tell for sure. Speaking of projects and the Metaverse advisor Marcy Jastrow has given some updates on how the development of the Metaverse is coming along. She shared these updates during a Twitter Spaces session hosted by Lucy, and she mentioned that 4 different hubs will be revealed no later than September of this year. The hubs are Wagmai, Rocket Pond, Ryoshi, and Tech Trench. Jastrow also revealed at the prompting of some of the people that attended the spaces that the Metaverse will be made available on a variety of platforms when it is launched, including PC, mobile, and VR. Now if you're wondering when the actual launch will happen, Jastrow didn't say. But the team has mentioned recently that they plan to open the Metaverse up to users by the end of 2023. So I guess they are still working with that timeline. If you found this really valuable, please drop a comment and share this video with friends. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, thus helping me to keep increasing the quality of the videos. Still speaking of Shiba Inu projects, NowNodes, a blockchain provider, has given the Shiba Inu community tips on how to build trading bots on Shibarium. The blockchain provider started off by showing appreciation for the Shiba Inu community because of its commitment and dedication for the Shiba Inu project. Then they talked about how trading bots have started becoming a thing since Binance released its own trading bots, and then decided to share a guide with the Shiba Inu community on how to build trading bots. Considering that NowNodes has received examples from people who have used their guides to build their own trading bots, it seems like it is really easy to use and straightforward. So if you want to create your own trading bot for Shibarium, you should go check out the guide on the NowNodes website. For those who don't know what the trading bots are for, they are supposed to help people to make automatic trades based on certain metrics. So the trading bots are a good idea for people who tend to forget to make timely trade decisions. Would you be building your own trading bots? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Finally, in spite of all that Shib has been through, it is still very much loved by the majority of the crypto market. It is currently the most searched crypto ahead of Pepe, which was actually quite popular among investors recently. And I already talked about how whales have been getting back into Shib. In fact, Shib was the most traded cryptocurrency by the top 100 Ethereum whales in the past 24 hours. So it does look like Shiba Inu is gearing up for a bullish run. And if that actually happens, it would be about time. That said, this is not financial advice. Make sure to do your own research. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.